Guys, thank you all for coming out. I'm Matty McCoggan. I'm with Gen Media. I'm the co-founder of the company. And we are here streaming this event live via server-side buffering all over the world through CDN network, allowing us to deliver this stream live to Europe, from Europe to Asia, from Asia to West Coast, from the West Coast, allowing for immediate access to all the users around the world. And this is kind of exciting. This is new technology, and this is really spreading pretty quickly. So what I'm going to do is talk very quickly about the capacity of what we do as a partner here, and how we go about doing it. We are a full-service digital design agency, so we specialize both in graphic design, branding, and technology design. This is a new niche altogether, and a lot of you are familiar with it. The niche involves fusing imagination with technology, making sure that you're able to access all the aspects of both usability and best practices, and at the same time utilize advanced technologies to make that happen. We work with things from Java through XML, through Flex technology, through Adobe's Air technology. We are now one of Adobe's premier Air and Flex technology partners throughout the world. So we're really trying to do a lot in the sphere of RIA development and of creating interesting interactive design websites that do a lot more than just be websites. Let's go to the next slide. What we are using in order to stream this event is called Reinforced Media Server. And why we want to talk about this Reinforced Media Server is this. It's a very, very unique new product, and it's a product designed for the social sphere, for everyone, for the end user to be able to broadcast live to anywhere around the world, while buffering video stream on the server side, ensuring that, for example, you can simply plug in your camera and broadcast your information, your videos, directly to the end user without having to first buffer on the side of the server. This is not a brand new concept, but this is what we believe to be a very efficient way of delivering this sort of information to the end user in such a manner. It's also not just technology that allows you to deliver video information, but it's actually a CMS system. So it's a content management system for managing video content online. It's fusing the traditional content management system with this new approach of not just managing content in terms of pictures, in terms of text, but managing content in terms of videos, archiving content in terms of videos, having backups, having versioning, having user management, having user permission controls, and video management online. This is the sort of thing that this sort of thing does. And where is Reinforced Media Server used? It's really used on a very wide range of applications, from live and on-demand broadcasts through multilingual streaming, which is becoming a much bigger market very quickly, where you want to stream a video not just in English, but for example have a second track in Spanish, third track in French, and then for example add subtitles behind the scenes. You're really not seeing a lot of that going on right now, and this is a really big niche market that you can see the internet evolving into. Why should you just be streaming your video as a sort of flat file? Why not have a three-dimensionality to it that ties into XML files that allows you to decide how you want to listen to the video, how you want to apply different types of text to the video. This is the sort of thing that we're trying to apply with this technology. Where else is it used? Well, this technology allows you to stream to mobile devices, to commercial venues. We're allowing for news stories to be distributed in a very fast and easy manner. And generally speaking, this is a very applicable device for things like virtual training, for things like e-learning. So really, the possibilities are endless here. Let's go to the next slide. And like I was saying before, this is more than content management. I'm going to breeze through this slide here because what I'm really trying to aim at is something more important than what this device does or what this content and what the system does. Outside of the multilingual support, outside of the automating of file conversions into FLV, outside of utilizing video file versioning and archiving, there's the concepts of searching within video, of searching content with a video. Let me finish Adam right now and I'll take off. The very last slide, Kevin. What we're using this for right now is to develop a grassroots-based news delivery organization that will essentially be kind of the future news network that we don't see it today. Imagine combining the idea of Dig and applying that in a way where you have reporters all around the world able to stream their news content to everyone else around the world. So when you're going online, you're saying, I want to see what's going on in Baghdad, I want to see what's going on in Japan, I want to see what's going on in Tokyo, and you go in there and you see, here are the users, here are the top rated reporters for that region. Let me see the stream that's coming live from that particular reporter. Let me see the buffered information from this other reporter. This is the sort of thing that's really going to change the way we view news online. And this is the sort of thing why it's important to utilize technologies like that from a grassroots basis. And this is why we actually come here. We can promote this in any sort of manner possible. We're not here to sell this. We're here to find partners around the world that are interested in creating a different version, a different reality in news distribution. Not just a corporate-based, centralized reality news distribution where you see iPublish being developed by CNN and things like that. We're talking about a way where you can distribute news from the end user to the end user on an end-to-end connection basis and allow people to filter that through in a way that really works for them. And that's all I really want to have to say. If you guys, if anybody here is interested in partnering with us in creating this, we're not doing this as a for-profit venture. We're doing this as something that we believe is going to change the world for the better. I'm happy to talk to you guys after this event, or if you're watching this online, just shoot us an email at janmedia.com. You would say info@janmedia.com. But you can also just click, I think, on a link from that stream that you're watching right now. So thank you all very much, and I want to thank very much Adam for partnering with us on this initiative, and also Kristen from Ogilvy PR. You guys are all very great, and I want to now pass this over to you guys so you can continue with the show.